Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the first question in exercise 1.1. Now let us look at the question first. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. So there are 9 questions, we'll take one at a time. The collection of all the months of a year beginning with the letter J. See, what is defined as a set? A set is going to be a collection of well-defined objects. So, meaning I should be able to have no ambiguity in deciding whether they are the elements of set or not. So, if this definition says months in year beginning with letter J, so I clearly know I'm going to place January, June, and July in this group. So therefore, this is going to be a set because I know the clear-cut elements of this collection. I know this collection is definitely a set. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So here what they're asking is 10 most talented writers. First of all, the genre was not clearly defined. Even otherwise, my favorite authors or whom I believe to be a talented author need not be your favorites too. So in this case, I don't know the definitions of talented writers varies across person to person. So there is no clear definition of what are the elements of this collection. Therefore, this is not a set. So the clarity of clear-cut definition is missing. So this is not a set. The third one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. Here too, best is giving a vague definition. For example, my favorite is Dhoni. Someone else might like Kohli. So there is a vague idea or definition of what is best. So my 11 best need not match with another person's favorites. So this is also not a clear cut definition. So this is also not a set. The fourth one, the collection of all boys in your class. So in a given class, I definitely will know who are all the set of boys in this class. So whatever their names, however the number of students are, I know who they are. So this is a defined collection and hence a set. Now for the next one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. So what are all the natural numbers that are less than 100? We know the number is going to be 1 up till 100, not including 100. So 1 up till 99. So we know what those elements are. Therefore, this is also a set. The next question, a collection of novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. Now, the name of the author is given. So, irrespective of the fact, we know how to count or we can find out how many books or novels this particular author has written. So, there is a clear cut definition of all the names of the work done by this author. So, this collection is also a set. Now, the collection of all even integers. So, in the seventh subdivision also, we know what are all going to be the numbers. So, any number that is even and negative is going to be part of this set. So, we can clear say this also is a set. The collection of questions in this chapter. Obviously, we know what are all going to be the questions that are there in this lesson. So, this also gives you a clear cut idea of what the elements are. So, this collection is also a set. A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. So, how do you define most dangerous? It again depends upon perspective. Okay, so for me, I might be afraid of dogs. I might be afraid of snakes. I might be afraid of cats. Some people are dog lovers. They are afraid of cats. They may like snakes. Some people keep pets of snakes. So here again, there is an ambiguity of what is whether an element or not. Because of this reason, this collection is definitely not a set. So if you look at the definitions, you need to understand if there are character driven words like best, dangerous, and talented, these are adjective words describing a person or a thing. So there is obviously a misinterpretation or a different school of thinking. So any set collection definition which has such objective words could probably not be a set. This is just a tip, but you have to take it in a question by question basis. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.